Welcome back, students. 120 days Optima plan for prelims 2023. Today we're going to discuss the concept of combination. Day 21. So just solve this question. I'll give you 1 minute time. Your time starts now. Right. In this question, there are 4 horizontal and 4 vertical lines parallel and equidistant to one another on a board. What is the maximum number of rectangles and squares that can be formed? So, what is the nature of square and rectangle? So, we need to pick two lines from horizontal and vertical, right? So rectangle, two sides are equal. Square means all the 4 sides are equal. So first of all, we need to know which concept we need to use to get the answer for this type of question. In this kind of question, actually we can get the answer quickly using combination concept. So now I'm going to explain this question using combination. See, there are 4 horizontal lines and 4 vertical lines. So if I form a rectangle or a square, I need 2 lines from horizontal and 2 lines from vertical. Everything is equidistant. Okay, so square or rectangle, no issues. But horizontal lines, this is horizontal lines and this is vertical lines. 2 line vertical and 2 horizontal lines. I need to connect. So select 2 lines from horizontal lines. How many horizontal lines are there? 4. Out of 4, I need to select 2. And there are 4 vertical lines. Select any 2 lines of 4 vertical lines. If you connect it, you will get the answer. So 4C2, 4 into 3, 1 into 2. Same 4 into 3, 1 into 2. So just cancel this. 2 times 3 into 2 is 6, into here also 6. 6 into 6 is 36. So we can get 36 squares and rectangles in 4 horizontal and 4 vertical lines. So same kind of question we're going to discuss. So be clear in this concept. So just try this question. Start doing this. Okay. In this question, in a party there are 15 persons and every person shakes hand with every other person. What will be the total number of handshakes? So this is what the question. So here also they doesn't mention any word permutation or combination or probability, but we need to know that how to solve this problem. Totally there are 15 persons, right? So there are 15 persons. How many handshakes were happened when both of them, any 2 of the person will shake hand each other? right? So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, like 15%. Okay, so now look at this. The first person and shakes hand with remaining 14%. So first person had 14 handshakes. Second person also 14 handshakes, but 1 and 2 will not taken here because that will be counted in the first person. So 13 handshakes will happen. For third person 12, fourth person 11. So we need to count all the numbers. You will get the answer, but this is not the way of getting answer quickly. So leave this manually. Okay. So the next way is you can use the combination, right? So 15 persons are there. Any two persons, if they are talking each other, they can give a handshake, right? So out of 15, C2. Select any two from 15. This is what your answer. So 15 times 14 over 1 into 2, right? So I can cancel these numbers. 15 into 7 is 105. So totally 105 handshakes were happened when 15% met each other. And there is one more formula is there. That is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. You can use this formula also, but mostly you can use this combination. It will be very easy and understandable to getting answer. Let's start with the next question. Yes. For this question, look at this. I want to form a parallelogram. There are 5 parallel lines intersect with another set of 8 parallel lines. Let's take 5 parallel lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be intersect with 8 parallel lines. What is mean by parallelogram? When two sides are equal, that is called parallelogram. So 8 parallel lines are intersecting. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 5 parallel lines intersect with 8 parallel lines. So now if you want to get the answer, if I count the number of boxes, I can get the answer means no. It is not correct way of getting answer, because if I take 2 boxes, combine 2 boxes, this is one parallelogram. If I take 4 boxes or 6 boxes, that is also one parallelogram. Okay, if I take 4 boxes, that is one parallelogram. So if I combine 2 or more boxes, that is also one parallelogram. So select any 2. See, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers. Here A, B, C, D, E. I'm going to take A and D. Okay, and take second line, right, and 7th line. This is one parallelogram. Okay, so if you can select any 2 parallel lines, okay, horizontally and vertically, it will form an parallelogram. So I need to select 2 lines from 5 parallel lines and 2 lines from 8 parallel lines. It gives a parallelogram. That's it. So 5 into 4 over 1 into 2 into 8 into 7 over 1 into 2. So cancel this number. 5 2s are 10. Here 7 4s are 28. So 10 into 28, 280 parallelograms can be formed in this 5 parallel and 8 parallel lines intersecting each other. Right. Next question. Start doing this. Okay. So in this question, it is little bit different. That is, in how many ways can a person choose one or more out of 5 different subjects books? One or more. So that means either or concepts. Okay. So here we can write there are 5 different books. I can select one book, or out of 5 I can select 2 book or 3 book, or out of 5 I can select 4 book, or out of 5 I can select 5 book. So either or means I need to add the values. 5C1 is 5, 5C2 is 10, 5C3 is 10, 5C4 is 5, and 5C5 is 1. So totally there are 31 ways we can select it. Either we can use this method, or totally how many books are there? 5 books are there, right? Each book had 2 options. Either you can select the book or reject the book. So 2 answers. So 2 answers, 5 books, 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is what? 30, 32, right? In this, I want to neglect only one option. That is, there are 5 books. Look at this: A, B, C, D, E. Each one had 2 options. Either I can select or reject. I can select or reject. I can select or reject. So each one had 2 options. Okay, that is why 2 power how many books? 5 books. But if I not select this book, I not select this book, I not select this book, I doesn't select all the books. Okay, I select only the second option for all the books, means it is not good, because they say I need to select at least one or more. So neglecting all the books, that option I will subtract from this. If I subtract that one option, at least one book will be in my hand, right? So 31 is the right answer. So same concept. Next problem, try this question fast. Yes, same concept. So there are 7 friends are there. You can select 1, or select 2, or select 3, or select 4, or select 5 friends, or select 6 friends, or select all the 7 friends. Okay, you can invite 1 to 7, either or options. So if you find out the answer for this and add it, you will get the answer. This is one way. Otherwise, there are 2 options are given from 7 out of 7 friends, right? So let's take one friend. I can invite him or not invite him. If I take the second friend, I can invite him or not invite him. So likewise, I had 7 friends. So each friend had 2 options. I will invite or not invite. Okay, how many friends are there? 7. Okay, and minus 1. Minus 1 is because at least one should be there. So I will not able to neglect all the friends. At least one friend should be invited. Right, so 2 power 7 is nothing but 128, minus 1 is 127 is the right answer. This is the easiest way comparing to this. Okay, when the numbers is bigger, you can take like this: 2 power 7. How many friends? 2 power 7. How many books? 5. 2 power 5 minus 1. That's what the right answer. So I hope you guys understand this session. Prelims Optima 2023, 120 days study plan, 1.5 years Optima current affairs notes, 12 month prelims compilation, monthly current affairs test, and so on was conducted in this series. So who are all interested, you can join using the Telegram number given here. So all the very best guys, meet you in the next session. Thank you, take care, bye bye.